Hi, so my name's Anne Gibbs and I'm a manager at Banff Care Home. I think the fact that they're pupils still at school, but they came in, it's an alien environment. People hear what care homes are like, but until they actually come in and see what goes on here. Good that I had staff that took them under their wing and I could see that they were working really well with the staff, and the staff weren't getting them involved with what was going on. They were interested and they were keen and they were asking questions, which I think is a good sign. Again, if somebody's asking questions about what's going on, it proves that they're interested in the work that's going on. Absolutely. Times they just start off doing things like cleaning, and then they'll maybe see what the carers are doing and they're maybe interested that way. But otherwise, young people don't see life in a care home. It's a difficult job, and it's certainly not a job that everybody can do, but it is the most rewarding job. If you have got a natural empathy towards the residents and you can understand the care that they need, it's the most rewarding job they could ever do. So giving them a chance to come in and work with the staff, work as part of the team, because that's how we see them. So far they've really enjoyed it, so I think yes, it's definitely a good idea. Yes, well, we've actually done that. Last year one of our pupils, she was going on to do nursing, so I suggested to her working part-time because it would actually give you really good experience. It's a good stepping stone for a lot of jobs in the health service, because obviously you're working with people, so you learn a lot of good communication skills, which I think is important in any job, but especially with care. And a lot of other jobs in the health service, you're still going to be dealing with a lot of elderly people. So it's a really good foundation skills. So that definitely worked. And we've got two of the girls that have actually started part-time jobs here. It's absolutely brilliant because, our staff need holidays, so it's really good that we've got an extra bank staff that we can use. It's a win-win situation for everybody. I think because they've done some of the work in school, that they've got an idea what they are coming into, and they're gaining better knowledge, the kind of skills that you need for caring. The units that they're doing, communication and so health and safety and safeguarding, and that's often the most difficult thing, probably the most scary subject, how important it is that we get the right people to come and work for a start. So that's why they need to do their PVG, they need to have an understanding about safeguarding and abuse and things like that, which is a difficult subject to speak about. But they do have to recognise the signs of knowledge that they're getting at school definitely helps them when they come to work here. So.